The honeycomb panels, which has been launched by you and the competitors are trying to catch up on that particular product, being a lightweight thing, it's more flexible. You have more varieties into it. It's more like an decorative product which is there, and being light, it makes the system more lighter. So any add-on system which is going to come behind it, it's going to turn on to be an economical in the system point of view. See, any new product which is launched, initially there will be some teething problems related to trainings and the education on that particular product, how it is to be used, because each and every product cannot be used in the same way as it is used. It has its own USPs and way of working for it. If proper training is given to it, I mean, they'll be good at it. But training is very important, because you guys have done some R&D to manufacture a new product, and after a lot of R&D it has come into the market. So you guys are the best people to train fabricators or the labor class people to use this product in the right direction. The biggest technical advantage I see is being lightweight and fire resistant. The best product, that is what I look at it as. Aesthetically, it will have more options, and where architects can play around with it. It will be with more of maybe high-end commercials or some hotel projects for some decorative components. As a fabricator's point of view, if you ask me, we are getting a finished product just to install. So today time is money. So we are saving time, we are just getting a finished product ready to install. So that makes it more better. These can be used, the horizontal sun breakers you call it, these can be used more as sun breakers, which will definitely play a role in the shading effect and the heating effect, which or the heat which is getting transferred inside the building. So that will be a important part. Instead of solid aluminum or 2 mm, 3 mm thickness, you've come up with 0.7, 0.8, 1 mm depending on the calculations obviously. So yeah, aesthetically it's fine. It's a uniform finish. The end cappings will be good. It's a finished product again. So we always say this, if you're getting anything factory made and a finished product on site ready to install, it's always time saving and a more better product. It's all about knowledge. It's all about knowledge sharing, which has been initiated on that particular app. It is very informative and very good. That's something different that has been done by you guys. So it's nice. It's always good that safety is the most important factor. It can be in the form of fire that we are talking about, but it can be in any other form. So promoting it and making it a habit is the best practice. It's been started to be accepted easily with the projects. On the type of projects that we do, the bigger projects have already started coping up with a fire alarm being as a compulsion. The retail market has not been coping up with it. It will take time. It's a learning thing. They're getting exposed to these products which they have not seen before. The tier 3 cities that we talk about, they have not seen these products anytime. Once they start understanding, then they'll start adapting to it. First thing that has been proposed always, and then again it depends on the end client, but as I said, that these things have started to change and it's becoming more of an habit for people to go with a thing. You can call it a habit, you call it as a mandate, or you call it as a requirement of an end client who's going to occupy that building, or it's a selling point due to any reason. But yes, that fire safety products have been started to use compulsory. Beat the fire.